Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a makeup video. So today's video is my Partners in Cream update for you. This is a bit late, but hey, what's new on my channel? Things happened. You'll get the story time in another video. I filmed these out of order and you'll hear what happened later. If you've been following me on Instagram, you might already know. But do you like the new hair? This is a Partners in Cream project pan. This is hosted by, I forgot to write down her name. Partners in Cream, come on. Delyn and Steph. I will link all of their information for you in the description box down below, so please do check that out. I believe that the finale is next month. It's not this month, it's next month. I think last month I thought it was this month, but it's not, it's next month. It's a whole palaver. I don't know if I'm coming or going at the moment. I'm completely lost. I don't know where I am. Okay, so first let's get straight into the products before I waffle on for way too long, because I need to get a move on. I have a lot of videos to film. Okay, so the first item we're going to talk about is my Maybelline Colour Tattoo Impermanent Taupe. I have been working on this all bloody year. And I have just a little bit left, as you can see. I do use it as an eye base under most eye looks, and I love this stuff. I'm gonna seriously miss this stuff when it is finished, but I do really want to get this finished and used up. Last month this weighed 48.60 grams, now weighs 48.43 grams. Can I get this finished before the end of the year? I'm not 100% sure about that, but I will give it a goddamn good try. I really don't want this to go into another year makeup inventory, which is coming up near the end of the year, funnily enough. But I think it's might just slip through, unless I try to wear makeup more often in the next few weeks, which doubtful. But yeah, I'm going to continue to try and use that up. The next item is my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Birthday Wish. This is absolutely stunning. I'm finding more pan, so I'm slowly working my way to side pan, as you can see. Really beautiful. Very nice as a highlighter as well. So there it is. This has gone from 17.96 grams to 17.93. I have been trying to throw this on as a kind of like a one and done kind of eyeshadow look, with a bit of Hoola Benefit bronzer in the crease, and then just this all over the lid as a kind of everyday kind of look, every now and again, when I've been like shopping in town or something like that. But yeah, still working on it. Still trying to hit that side pan. I don't know what my goal is for this, by the way. I don't think I've ever actually said what I want to do with it. But I mean, if I can hit side pan by the finale, I'll be very happy. So yeah, there's that. The next item is my Avon Glimmer Sticks Diamonds eyeliner in Sugar Plum. I do have another one of their Glimmer Stick Diamond eyeliner in another project pan. But this doesn't have very much left at all. They are very creamy, but they do not stay for very long in the waterline. So it looks like that. I do have it today. Nope, it's gone from the waterline, told you. But I do have it as an eyeliner on the upper lash line today. But it's gone from the waterline, even though I only applied it maybe half an hour ago. An hour maybe at the most. So yeah, it doesn't stick around for very long on the waterline. This was 4.13 grams last month and weighs 4.07 now. The next item is my NYX Born to Glow highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter, and this is all gone. It's completely gone, and it went into this. I put it into this because this collection Last Imperfection Glow foundation was way too light for me, and I was kind of mixing those two together anyway. So then I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to put this into this and mix it. So I haven't used this since I've done that, so I don't know what the colour is like now. But yeah, so this technically hasn't gone because it's in there, but the packaging will be leaving my collection, so I'm counting it as finished because it's gone. There's nothing in this now, and that in my eyes is product finished. You know, if I was creating, like when I was putting it into a pot, that was a different thing. I would still count this as still in my collection because it was in another pot. But the fact that it's gone into another product that I'm already going to be counting in my collection, I'm going to count this as finished. So that is done, out of my collection. It's great, wonderful. Highlighter finished this year. Go me. Although cream highlighters I find are really easy to use up because they're cream and you tend to use them very much. I tend to go through them a lot quicker than I do powder highlighters. I don't know why. Probably because I add them to my foundations, but anyway, kind of using a mixture of the foundation today that was from this pot. So I like it, it's fine. And then we're gonna go on to the sachet stuff. So, still here. How long have I been saying that these are still here from? I can't remember when I put these into the project, but they're still here. This one is the Botanicals Fresh Care Safflower Rich Infusion Softening Ointment. I could use that in my hair, but I've just had it redone, like re-dyed at the hairdressers. So I don't know when I want to try this. Maybe before Christmas I might put this in. And then my moisturising foot sock. At the moment my foot is wrapped up, so I don't want to be putting any foot socks onto it because like it's wrapped up at the moment due to an injury. You'll hear the story later in another video. Watch out for that. So yeah, I can't use this at the moment. Like, well, I could, but I could only use one of them and that would be a waste. So I'm going to hold on to this until my foot feels better and I can take the wrap off, and then I will give my feet a real good treatment after all they've been through. So yeah, still got those. However, good news on the Huda Beauty lip samples. So I still have Lady Boss, that is still sealed, have not used that one yet. But I currently have on my lips, not that you can tell, but I have Bonnie on my lips over a sleek lip liner that is just way too powerful. But yeah, it's kind of dyed the colour that it was. It was much more this kind of pink, but the lip liner has kind of dyed it a little bit. So I'm currently using that, probably one more use and that will be done. However, I have finished Game Changer and wow, was this colour beautiful. I actually looked for this one on all the beauty websites, Cult Beauty, Feel Unique. I even tried looking on Huda Beauty's website, I think, but I cannot find Game Changer anywhere. Anybody know where I can get it? This colour was stunning. I loved this. If anybody knows of a dupe for this colour, please let me know that is more accessible to me. I loved this. I really loved this. I was eking out every last piece that I could get from this sample. I absolutely loved this. I did not mix this with any other lip liner or any other colour at all. I used it exactly as was and I loved it. I loved this on my lips and I don't have anything in my... I was searching through all of my lipsticks. I was swatching them all going, are you like this? Are you like this? Are you like this? This is a completely unique colour that I don't have in my collection, and I don't have a big lipstick collection, but I have enough that I don't really need to be buying more. But this colour was beautiful. I might see if I can... I'm going to keep this card and I'm going to take this into maybe Boots or somewhere and have a look, see if I can match this colour with some of the products that they sell in Boots on their makeup stands, because I loved it. I absolutely loved this shade. It was beautiful. So yeah, so that one is finished, but that's gonna be wrapped up and put into my handbag so that when I'm out and about shopping, I can see if I can match it. This one should be finished with one more application, because I normally get about 2. I managed to get 3 looks out of this because I eked it out so much. But I normally get about 2 uses out of each card. So I still have one more use of this, and then I can move on to this one, hopefully by the end of the project pan. So yes, I still have those. So that is my update for Partners in Cream. I'm not going to bring anything in because we do only have 1 month. And to be honest, I think I'm not going to continue doing the Partners in Cream project pan for next year. I've been looking at all of the projects that I have currently going, and there are others that I want to continue more than this one. I don't have that many cream products in my collection, so it's not something that I need to concentrate on so much. So yeah, I'm not going to bring anything new in. I'm just going to work on the products that I have left, which are the 2 cream eyeshadows, the lipstick samples, the eyeliner, and then the masks. So those are the products that I'm going to be working on for this project for the finale. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.